guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I have potentially the smallest Stitch Fix box I have ever received to share with you. I hope they didn't accidentally send me American Girl doll clothes in here. I also have some pieces of Nakamol jewelry to share with you that I ordered directly from their website. If this sounds like something interesting to you, then just keep watching. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. As usual, I want to jump right into the try-ons. I will list all the big long Stitch Fix names along with pricing and sizing in the description box below. Without further ado, let's see what my stylist sent. The first piece in the box is this top by Fortune and Ivy. This is a size medium and is $36. This is 100% polyester. I have a love-hate relationship with polyester because it's not very breathable, but it holds color saturation so well that I sometimes make an exception and will buy a polyester top. This color of blue that is in this pattern is my all-time favorite color, and I also love a crisp white. This does have a handkerchief hem. I'm not sure how I feel about this hemline. I really need to see it on. You're no doubt seeing it on as I'm describing it. In general, I am very partial to this particular halter cut. It also has a flattering V neckline, and I'm especially happy that it doesn't have a fussy button on the back. Here's a closer look at the pattern. I think the colors and the pattern are absolutely gorgeous. And then here is the handkerchief part at the bottom. Random side note, I want to draw attention to my nails for just a moment. Recently, I did a video for all dashing press-on nails. I'll try to remember to link that video in the cards above. I wanted to remove them because they stayed on my nails for 2 solid weeks. Not a single nail popped off. But what I want to show you today is that my nails are perfectly healthy. Those press-on nails did not ruin my real nails whatsoever. I'm giving my nails about a week's break from press-on nails, but I just want to show you that this is after I had those press-on nails on my hands for 2 weeks. But I digress, back to Stitch Fix. What do you think about this top? Let me know. Jesus, take the wheel on this next piece. Guess what this is? It's a jumpsuit. I don't wear them. I'm never going to wear them. Now with that said, because I'm a team player, I am going to try this on. Even though I was mildly traumatized the first time that I tried on a jumpsuit in a Trendsend video. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it in the cards above. Can we talk about cellulite? But I digress. This jumpsuit is by Market & Spruce. It is a size medium and it is, wait for it, $78. Nope, not in this lifetime. I don't want to sound overly negative, so I'm going to tell you what I like about it. Let's go with that. I like the halter style. It has a keyhole in the front and the back, which will probably come in handy while I'm contorting myself to get into this contraption. I will also say that I like the color and the pattern. The background is navy blue and it has some mauve and some cream. I don't object to the pattern at all. This is a polyester and spandex blend. It does have a nice stretch and a nice drape to it. Now for you ladies that successfully get yourselves in and out of jumpsuits in public restrooms, I have to applaud your ambition. Here's a close-up of the pattern of the jumpsuit. And I think that the mauve and the white really pop against it. If this were anything else, if it were a dress or a top, I would probably keep it. I just don't do jumpsuits. The next piece in the box is this top by West Key. This is a size medium and it is $38. And in the Stitch Fix world, that's about as good as pricing gets. I think that the color is gorgeous. This is definitely 100% polyester. It is very flowy and has a lot of fabric. It has a split neck. This looks really billowy and flowy at the bottom, and I'm hoping that it doesn't look maternity. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this top. Here's a close-up of the print. I don't know why, but this reminds me of the particular weed that grows in our back field, and it has a fluffy white ball at the top, and if you blow on it, all the little white wispies go flying through the air, and if you're me, your husband says, "What are you doing? You're spreading weeds." Do you know the weed that I'm talking about? Let me know in the comments down below. But I really went off the tracks there. I think that this pattern is so pretty and the color is gorgeous. Nikki, if you're watching, I think this top would look really nice on you. The next piece is this gorgeous dress by the brand Wisp. It is a size 8, but get out your smelling salts. This is $84. $84. Now, realistically, would I pay $84 for a dress in the history of ever? No. Possibly if I was the mother of a bride and my daughter were getting married. Other than that, I honestly can't see paying $84 for any dress. But let me tell you what I like about it. This dress is a polyester and spandex blend. So it has a nice amount of stretch and it has a really lovely drape. I like the V neckline. It's just low enough but not too low. I also like that the band right here that is in contrast hits at the smallest part of the waist. The sleeves fit fairly well and weren't too low on me. And then here's a look at the back. This dress was also the perfect length for me. I am 5'4" as a point of reference, and I prefer that dresses and skirts hit right at the knee. Here's a close-up of the pattern. I think the pattern is really pretty. For some reason, it reminds me of stained glass windows. I love the coral background, and then it has blue and pink and cream. Here's that contrasting waist treatment, and I think that if this hits in the right place, it will be flattering. The final piece in the box is this bright and cheerful top by West Key. This is a size medium and it is $40. I love the color and the pattern on this. It has pops of white. It does have a tie at the waist. Typically, I am not the biggest fan of this, but it all depends on where it hits me. I can tell without even looking that this is 100% polyester, which probably explains how the color is so vibrant. This is what it looks like on the back. It also has elastic around the waist, and I'm hoping that it not only gives it shape, but that the elastic is comfortable. This top also has one of my all-time favorite sleeve treatments. For some reason, I just love a flutter sleeve. It is so pretty and so flirty and so feminine. And here's a close-up of the pattern. You can see that there's a random pattern with asymmetrical white spots. I love the tone of yellow of this top. It's more of a blue-based yellow, if that makes sense, which tends to go better with my coloring. Here's a look at the tie detail at the waist. I think that this will look pretty if it hits in the right place, but I won't really know until I have it on. Now that I've tried everything on, have broken into a sweat, and my hair looks crazy, I want to do a quick wrap up. I want to let you know what's in my head, and I also want to get your opinion on what I should keep. For me, this first top is a maybe, so I really would like to know what you think of this top. I think we all know that I'm going to pass on this jumpsuit. Recently, I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Carolyn, and her channel is Carolyn and Her Clothes. I will link her video down below. And she made me laugh out loud in one of her videos when she tried on a very expensive pair of shorts and said that unless putting them on turned her into a 20-year-old, they were a hard pass. That's how I feel about this jumpsuit. With that said, I do have a morbid curiosity. What did you think of this jumpsuit on me? Let me know in the comments down below, and also check out Carolyn's channel. This top is also in my maybe pile. I think that the color is beautiful. That said, I feel like it has an awful lot of fabric. Let me know what you think of this top. Not going to lie, overall I liked this crazy expensive dress. I feel like I had a little bit of a fit issue though. I have narrow shoulders and I don't know that I filled the top out properly. I felt like it gave me bat wings. Let me know in the comments down below. Even though this top has a tie at the waist, there's something about this top that I really like. I want to get your opinion because you ladies never steer me wrong. Did this hit me in the right place? Let me know in the comments down below. Again, I want to thank every one of you ladies that used my referral link. Right where I'm pointing, you can see that I have a substantial credit on my account. So when I'm showing you these pieces that are way out of my price zone, because of you, if I really love a piece, I can keep it, and I cannot thank you enough. I am only able to purchase a piece or two out of each box because of the credit on my account. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Nakamol Jewelry is a brand out of Chicago that I had never heard of, and I actually discovered them through Stitch Fix. I find that their jewelry is very well made, the pricing is fairly reasonable, and I think that the styles are a little bit unique. On a whim, I decided to go on the Nakamol website and I found their clearance section. So I have several pieces to share with you. This is the first piece of Nakamol jewelry that I ever bought, and I did get these in the Shop My Look section on Stitch Fix. All of the pieces do come in these cute little jewelry pouches. Just realized that these earrings are a perfect match to the top that I actually have on. Let me show you the other pair that I got from Shop My Looks, and then I'll show you the clearance pieces that I picked up. This pair is what prompted me to go to the Nakamol website. I started to notice a pattern that they all have these unique stones and designs, and I wanted to see what else they made. Now I'm going to share with you the pieces that I picked up on clearance. I have 6 pieces of Nakamol clearance jewelry to share with you today. I won't be trying these on because I intend to include some of these in my upcoming 25,000 subscriber giveaway. This particular giveaway will be the largest one that I've done on this channel, and of course you need to be subscribed to be eligible because these giveaways really are to thank you, my subscribers. So take just a moment to hit that subscribe button and then watch for that video once this channel reaches 25,000 subscribers. But back to the Nakamol jewelry. When I placed this order with Nakamol, they also included a free face mask, which I appreciate. I am going to link all of these pieces in the description box below. The first piece is called the Junis Necklace. This was originally $45, and I got it on sale for $19. This is a longer necklace. What drew me to this piece is the stone that you see here in the center. And then there are little bead stations. This is a two-tone necklace that is gold tone and gunmetal, and you can see that on the chain. This is a long necklace that has a lobster claw clasp, and you can see that it has a generous extender as well. The next piece is called the Czarine Necklace. This one was also originally $45, and I got this on clearance for $19. This one is delicate and pretty with a heart motif. It has a gold tone chain with little stations and then a silver tone chain with little beads. And this is actually a working locket. It would have to be a very small photo, but it's still fun. You could also put a baby's first lock of hair in here, I'm sure. The next piece is called the Chastine Bracelet. This was originally $20 and I paid $9. I love this bracelet for so many reasons. It has a Hamza symbol in the middle. It has this pretty sparkle that surrounds the Hamza. It also has my favorite style of adjustable bracelet closure. I can easily put this style on and off myself. The next piece is called the Junis Necklace. This was originally $45 and I got it for $15, so well below the half off mark. It's a very dainty and delicate necklace. It is in gold tone and I love the sparkly stars. This is the shortest necklace out of the bunch. I would say it's about an 18-inch chain. All of the Nakamol necklaces do have extenders, but this is a shorter one. At its farthest loop, it would probably go right at 20 inches. The next 2 pieces that I'm going to share with you are sold out currently on the Nakamol website. I'm showing them to you because they may end up in a giveaway. These are the Aubrey beaded earrings. These were originally $45. I paid $19. These are a show-stopping statement earring. I love the lime green. The metal is gunmetal. I think that the stonework is beautiful. It has sparkle and shimmer. Even though these earrings look substantial in size, they are extremely lightweight. I love these so much. The final piece from this Nakamol haul are the Sea Breeze earrings. These were originally $45 and I paid $19. These are essentially the same style and size as the ones that I just showed you in a different colorway. So the metal is gold tone and the stones are teal. I would love to know which of these Nakamol clearance pieces is your favorite. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to pull at least 3 of these for giveaways, and depending on what your answers are, you might see your favorite in a giveaway. So let's talk about my outfit of the day. The earrings that I have on are from Rocksbox. They are by Kendra Scott and they are $68. Yikes. Am I buying them? Nope, that is a little bit too rich for me. The top that I have on is from QVC and it is actually a two-piece set. It has a matching tank underneath. You'll see this in the try on. This is by the brand Kim Gravelle. I will link this set in the description box below if I can find it. This is a rare exception where the tank top that goes on underneath is a standalone piece by itself. It is quality, it is beautiful. I can wear it with this overlay or not. I love it so much. The shorts that I have on are my all-time favorite Walmart purchase from this season. They are a pair of pull-on white shorts, and I want to say I paid just about $12 for them. The shoes in the bag that I have on, you see them in all of my try-ons. I use them all of the time. If I can find either of these still online, I will link them in the description box below as well. And this completes my outfit of the day. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys. The first piece in the pot, I guess I'm cooking my clothes now. I still have my last video on my mind. Let's do that again.